Hello guys and welcome to another video, and I want to welcome you. This is part 2 of the the Supernova challenge. Today we are going to be using kill switch. Last time we used it, we got second place, I'm pretty sure, right? And today we are going to be using kill switch and see what place we get. And it's only one try, no tries apart from that. And it doesn't matter if we win, it's only if we have fun. If you die instantly, then we got a redo. Yeah, we can just do the next video like in this video. Okay. So I'm also very angry that they did not add a kill switch glider. It gets me angry today. Maybe, yeah. Okay, so let's ready up. It's already been 1 minute, and as we are loading, I want to ask you guys, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like the video, and leave a comment down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, I changed my map. Can you ready up, bro? I am ready up. Oh, okay, thanks. Kill switch. Power droids. Power droids. Star Wars Captain Plasma. Plasma. Okay. I'm gonna try that. Come on. Ooh, let's get back. I feel like this guy is the type of person who would try and hide and be a metallic person. But although he has the wrong background, but he might emote. Wow, for this guy, he can get 4 people going just by doing the slip back. But when I do, let the music play, literally only 2. Yeah. Come on, this is why nobody likes this guy. Exactly. We're going to the rainbow fields. That's what I like to call it. I mean, actually, we don't have to go here. Okay. I'm kill switching and I am kill switching. Oh. You're just murmuring for no reason. I like your umbrella. It's nice. Oh wow, so much people are landing here. We're literally gonna have to restart this from the beginning. Okay, so I'm allowed to take items and heals, but I'm allowed to take items at least until I find kill switch revolvers. That's right. Yeah, all the tracking right there. I'm gonna do the Supernova Academy so that I can get 3 guaranteed items. Just like regular Green Line. Whose room is this? It's not even my room. Okay, I'm gonna join you if I can get that person. Oh wow. I thought you were him. Guess what? Oh no, I'm not actually alone. I don't know. I have a reputation. I have a life. Where's the last one? Okay, thank you. Okay. Joke, nice. Skills are very important in this challenge. Yeah, skills with revolvers. Okay, there you go. But that means I still get to use regular items. Thank you. Can't you just drop it all at once? Oh my, this is not a good thing. You're gonna find out person. So you can get this time. Oh yeah, let's. That was a thingy, a porta potty right there. IDK lighting. Hmm? What? I want to go to a staircase and to some place where people do this. I found them. Downed one. Got another one. This is very sad. None of these people had this gunner. Then where is this gunner? Exactly, who on earth is gunning? Probably a random team. Oh my gosh, this is getting. Wait, are you okay? I feel like it's coming from that direction. I've been Superman for it. Exactly. You're better off going to Fortress Solitude. Oh yeah, we should go downstairs. Why do you need crystal trees? Ooh, I hear someone. I hear someone. Okay, I did kill it once. I got the scanner, let's go. These guys are cooked. Ooh, wait, ain't no way that two people died, bro. I didn't know that they were down. Ah! A little help! You're the one who left me. Two of them are here. Oh wow, you look so goofy. Just run. Run away, run away. No, leave me alone. Leave, no! All of my items gone. You're literally exposing yourself each second you live. What do you mean by what's to try? This is what's to try. Oh, what I think now. I was expecting a little 1v2. I just grab it. They're downstairs, bro. I know. You lied to me. Last time I checked, they were downstairs. Never mind. Well, now I checked, they're not. And they covered it up. Such goobers they are. Are you actually gonna come there? Oh, ain't no way you actually know the shots. Oh, wait, ain't no way he knows the shot, bro. Oh, use bandages. You have bandages. And you just made that. How are you doing? You have more bandages. Well, I have. Oh, you're actually him. Stay away from my too. No, bro. Actually. Are you here? Like that? Oh my gosh. Oh wow. These guys are annoying. Come on, this is actually disappointing. Don't these guys have a life? They're probably gonna try shooting me from the air too. Okay, retake that. That was just 9 minutes. Yeah, let's do that again. Let's try it again. This is why nobody lands here. Right? Nobody ever lands here. Like, yeah, definitely. Like 100%. Like I've never seen someone land here. Why isn't anyone talking? Okay. Attempt number 2 of kill streak challenge because that attempt was now up to 10 minutes. Yeah. I think this time we don't get so far 7 people. Exactly. Third party is with a car. Wait, this guy's wait, who's showing all the crown? Ooh, 0 crown glimpse. And you have the audacity to show your crown. Exactly. Okay, that's kind of mean, honestly. Oh wait. Probably no one who has a higher amount of crowns. Yeah. Surely. Like, yeah. Why are we going to the spell? Shouldn't we drop off somewhere random? Guys, you know that guy who has 0 crowns? You can instantly get 1,000 if you like it. Yeah, totally. Like instantly, like there's nothing stopping you. Instantly 1 billion crowns, all by just liking and subscribing. And also, I have noticed that 0% of the people who watch my videos are subscribed. That's not true. Please make my day and subscribe, please. Yeah, he's subscribed. That's why I play games with him. If you don't subscribe, I don't play games with you. Yeah, if you're not subscribed, you're nah, it's never enough. I ran into him. I found a closer. Like skin or per? Skin. Oh, now there are 2 people coming from me. Because I killed 2 separate teammates and now both of the other teammates are trying to get down. Luckily I have a plan. Peekaboo, I see you. I'm trying to kill a player, but the player's running. I need help. Bruh. Wow, he doesn't even finish me off. That was the worst decision possible. Are you coming to save me? Nope. Oh wow. You're really just gonna leave me to die. Oh wait, nah. Oh shoot, I almost failed it. You know what else needs help? Me. I'm coming. Yeah, I have kill switch revs. Yeah, that's the new name. Kill switch revs. Help me. I'm coming. Sheesh. I'm coming down. The other way. Okay, should I use the porta potty or? I'm already right over here. Okay. Oh, how come? I walked all the way from the top down here just to get rebooted. And revived. Now, do you have any scanner? Wait, whoa, I just noticed something. If I hold the kill switch revolver, I can do this. My kill switch revolvers kind of fly up. That is actually so disgusting. It just shows that kill switch has supernatural powers. Also, I feel like they're exactly, that's what I was. Because there's so much more bullets, and also I've not seen them before. Yeah. Oh well, someone just got rebooted. Oh man. The process of rebootation is complete. We'll never be able to defend against that. Okay, kill switch revolvers for you. What rarity? How did you get in there? It's an era. It's B. Oh. Leave. Wait. What type of skies we go? Now, is anybody in the mood of? What type of skies we go? Okay. Oh, I forgot. This is a close wait. Epic chest. Give me scanner. Oh wow. Very mean at pictures. Minus of pictures in the West, bro.
I'm already at the top of stuff.
Oh my god.
I really love my picture, please.
I don't know.
I believe from the Superman challenge.
Maybe.
Well, by then it's probably the Superman plus thingy.
Yeah.
It's all part of it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh,
Oh, you're wasting.
like they were even useful.
You could have fed crypto with this. Crypto.
I already put it on the ground, crypto just adds them on.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
Put that into consideration before you insult me about feeding crypto. He's just a dog.
You're just a dog.
You know who else you are? You look like a frog.
Literally 0 people laughing. Oh, there's a spider here.
It's a spider. But I've never seen a tiny spider right now. The spider has nothing.
Okay, that's true. You have some type of things. Are you in a fight? Is there someone you're fighting? Oh, there's someone here then. That's good. I see them. Luckily they were one tap for some reason. No, I use an SMG.
You're not even allowed to use that.
Actually I don't have the scanner yet, so.
Still,
Okay. Sheesh, wow. You don't mean anything. What the wobble, axolotl.
Fire.
You shouldn't.
Got the grenades.
I think we're allowed to use that, right? It's utility, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, see? Yo, shot!
Ocean!
Hey! Skazatsu! I give you me and
You give me you.
yay! Two choke jugs, 6
Wait, what? Two choke jugs?
two
Give
choke
me
jugs,
one.
6 medkits.
Give me one. Do you know how much heals you have? You have more than a lifetime supply.
Yeah, because I only have kills with revolvers now. Okay, I'll give you a choke jug if you give me the tracking visor.
I don't even know.
And also, you're dropping mini shield pots on the ground.
Wow, Chino, you used it. That's it.
You threw it at me. I'm disappointed. You're the one who threw it.
No, I don't know body.
Why is it? Oh. I found an A cache. Oh wow, someone just finished the process of rebutation. Rebutation of course, yeah. Where are you?
Although do they know they have
Same as you.
At least I could get an elimination. At least I survived those two people in the game when I was.
I literally killed one of them.
They revived the other one.
Yeah, but you failed to revive me.
When I had to face 3 people keep dying.
3?
Yes. First those 2 people. Second, wait, so first are those 2 people, which is equals to already. Then the other person is from
You're lying, bro. You only have
part of the
4.
booth.
You're lying. You only have 4 elements.
No, I mean from before.
Still, you only have 4 eliminations. You just killed 2 people right now.
Oh man, where's the player?
They didn't get rebooted. No, they didn't.
I'm going to go get that crown. See you
Okay.
there. I'm just inches away from collecting a crown. No, despawn.
Oh wow.
Oh wow. What's a crypto trees?
Huh?
I have 3 crypto trees.
Wow.
I'm wasting them all inside the water.
You could use that as a shockwave.
That never help.
Wait, shockwave me with your crypto.
Why?
Because I won't take damage. Come on, no, just try, just try.
Okay, now I want to. That's too much.
Okay, try it.
That's too little. Oh,
Okay, well, no more crypto, I'm sorry. Either way, you're already gonna waste it, so.
Am I watching you, Bubbles? Can you please give me that chug jug?
No.
Why? If I die to lack of
You literally threw so much mini shield pots on the ground, and you expect me to give you
why
that.
can I leave them? I'm on 63 HP.
You can't keep it in your inventory. Do you need a chug jug right now? I mean, everything, but still. I'm saving this for when we actually need it.
Well, that's what I needed. If I die to a player, it's your fault.
Why are we going for spires? We're not even
I
allowed.
said sky boss.
Oh,
Let me drive.
no.
Yes. Are you really gonna drive without me?
After that, you get to know how you get out. May G-Force be with you. Oh, what's my aim like? What type of peely is this?
Kill him.
What type of peely is this, bro?
That was so sensitive.
Okay, stop, stop. You're not even funny. Oh, give it to me, give it to me. I'll give you a chug jug if you give me the scanner. Get into the car now. Ain't no way you dropped. Why did you drop it on the ground? And your chug jug is on the ground too.
Why?
Okay, what do you want me to do with chug? What? I need it.
All the jumpers are done. How fast?
You're fascinating.
Somebody once told me, oh, you want to know me, say, but don't get from
Tatooine. And boys are like criminal. Yes, of the entire galaxy. But the dark side's coming and it won't stop coming. Oh. Of course, you only remember the last parts. In fact, we didn't even create any of the sound of this video. Yeah, I'm so sorry, guys. Yeah, quick as a doggy. Yeah. Quick as a doggy would fix everything though.
Why is my grenade still maintenance? The medallion just got blah blah blah.
Oh no. I'm sorry, I'm still regenerating. Stop speaking nonsense.
Okay, fine.
You're speaking Tarzan. You're being meaner. Do you think the viewers want to hear you speak Tarzan?
Okay, this is what I don't have the right to speak.
Are you sure I'm right here? Oh man, the medallion player is running. Oh wow, what killed you? Your own grenades.
Why? He's low.
Which one?
The player over
That
there.
two.
On the side.
Oh.
Look over there. The player.
Up on the ground. Can these guys leave me alone?
You cannot just hear what I said. You only have to
I don't care right now.
I'm on 6 HP. Please
I'm on third. Oh. Oh my god! Oh, they're trying to make the sound effect. Who do you think you are, bro? Star Wars season died 2 weeks ago. Bonk.
Yeah.
I don't know why you came to
regret
me.
all my choices.
Exactly. This is the mistake you keep on making. You're going to try and fight the medallion players each
But
round.
they're not even sporty.
How did you die?
What happened?
Oh, I'll still be disappointed.
Well, guess what?
You
I
did?
didn't. I would have been able to survive if I had a choker.
I gave you a choke joke.
Oh, yeah. Okay, now I see the reason why it pops. Why you running. Ouchie, wawa! That was extremely painful. It's right above you. Ouch. Oh.
Iwawa. Ouch. Obama. Bama. Bama.
I'm not gonna lie, why does that keep on coming here?
Oh man, the sun.
This is my card.
Got his reboot card on the way. I did kill him. Ziggy already probably died to the storm, that's how hard it is.
Well, the sun just reached it. I'm pretty sure that's not even. You didn't even take my reboot card.
I can't.
Why not?
The medallion players are still lingering around there. Do you know how much mats were wasted in the process of that? At least we only have
all of
iron.
them would all. Yeah, smart.
Oh wow, your book card is strong. I can't get it now.
Well, why not you find a truck? Then you pay for it.
How will you want me to pay for
Wait,
it?
please, I'm begging you, please.
Wait, wow, change. Oh my, 500 gold. This is a scam. Enhanced rebooting, come on. Bet you're gonna be shut down into your like a
No, this kill two birds at once.
That
You
doesn't
didn't
even
even finish rebooting me.
Hey, no way. I didn't know. You think I knew? Oh wow, I'm not. I literally gave
I
you the
never
gift.
said you did. I
Oh my god.
said wait.
Thanks. I'm inside. I'm stuck in the storm.
Oh man, I want to pick up the gun. I need more guns. More power equals more power. More power equals dominance. Dominance equals victory. Victory equals victory royale. Victory royale equals happy. Happy equals subscribe.
I need a notification bell. You know what I mean? I like video too. Like, you'd be an absolute sigma if you did that. Oh. Sigma. Come on, of course. Anyway, I don't have speed healer, bro. The one time it's needed. Oh wow. What did you die to? Player or come?
Wait, that was the guy with the exotic from the medallion.
Huh?
Yes.
You died to who?
No, you just killed the person with the exotic on the
Who,
medallion.
me?
Yes.
How?
You just killed him.
I'm not even there.
Wait, oh, then come. Quickly, I'm gonna die. I don't want you to spend my money because it's low.
No.
Please, you need a teammate.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not sure about it.
I'm sorry, bro.
Sorry, bro.
I can't save you right now.
Yes, you can. Please, I'm begging you.
The storm is here too. 5 damage per second. Are you sure this is a good idea?
Use the mic tag, baby.
I already used it.
Don't forget. It's gonna have the one. Definitely not gonna have a mic tag. Crypto doggy, please. Okay, pop it, pop it.
Oh wow, I'm cooked. Second place again. Every time I do these challenges, I always get second place. Always. Well, that's the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Like the video. Do all that type of stuff. Make sure you leave a comment below. Do you think you would have won? I don't know. Well, that's the end. Alright, y'all. See y'all.